Hi guys! And before we start, I would just like to give a shout out to Liam West. He watches my channel. I just want to give him a shout out. Okay, on with the video. So, this is my Play-Doh cake that I made, and hope you like it. Ah! The topping just fell off. So, we are gonna mix this together, okay? Here we go. Okay. Let's hope this looks really cool at the end. Please just ignore those extra sounds. Okay guys, so this is what we're left with. Okay, now don't forget to like. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!